the last 2 months, I will say that, right, it was actually a very difficult time for most of the industry, including Flex. So the only solution or only answer to all this is, can we actually get this key program initiated, started, and then very quickly we get our people actually vaccinated.
The safety of our employees is always our first priority. Right? That is the reason why we wanted to set up this vaccination center. It is not easy to get it approved. I'm glad that today, finally, it has gone live, right? And I hope that we can continue to do this after the phase 1 of 13,500. We can continue to do this until, all our employees, are vaccinated. And also we can help the rest of the company surrounding this area to be vaccinated as well.
The vaccination center that you see today, the exercises or the activities, this is the result of 2 months of very, very close collaboration with MITI, the Ministry of International Trade and Industry of Malaysia. So we work very closely with various federal agencies, federal ministries to make today a reality.
Companies like us who didn't have the head count, like I'm only 671 head count, so we won't meet the criteria. So we registered under the common PPV. But we were hoping that we are able to tag along and good thing that because our relationship is that we had with Flextronic, that I'm proud to be part of one of the 93 companies who have actually benefited out of this. And again, one more time, right, I'll have to say this, that thank you Flex, thank you for having us here.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Flex management, all the committee members, all the member companies, all the volunteers who is going to spend their precious time for next 1 to 2 months in making sure this Flex vaccination program a successful program.